Well, if we're gonna talk about reading comprehension, edi hindi yun significantly connected to senior high school. Kasi kung sasabihin natin na from K to 10, nahihirapan na sila, bakit hindi rin natin bigyan ng focus yung K to 10 while giving focus to K to 12? Bakit
How
kailangan
can you
nating
say that
baliwalain
reading
yung K to
comprehension
12
is
ngayon?
not connected when we read with comprehension with each and every subject that we use?
Well, if we're gonna talk, kakasabi mo nga lang na yung reading comprehension is important to K to 10. Therefore, hindi siya problem sa K to 12. We can give focus to K to 12 while also giving focus to K to 10. So,
Well, senior high school students struggle with reading. So how can you say that reading comprehension is not connected? Kasi sa everyday life natin, especially in schools, reading comprehension is a must.
and my point is that hindi natin kailangan gawing optional yung K to 12 kung pwede na palang ayusin yun to K to 10. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na kailangan natin bigyan ng pansin yung K to 10. Eh yung K to 12, it also has different sectors to it. It has different aspects, different factors to it. Hindi ka nag-K to 12 para makapagbasa ng maayos. Nag-K to 12 ka para mapabuti yung buhay mo as a student.
Meron kang point, pero paano nga nila maiintindihan yung mga binabasa nila kung wala silang reading comprehension? And as you've said, bakit nga ba tayo magfo-focus sa senior high, ba't tayo magfocus sa K to 10 kung senior high school students sila?